Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to bind off your finished project, right? So hopefully you have learned how to cast on and how to do a knit stitch and purl stitch, right? So after you finish your project, you wanna make sure that your project is nice and secure. So that's why we do bind off of our knitting, right? So let's start now. As you can see here, I have my finished project on my needle, and now what you are going to do is you're going to hold this needle in your left hand and your another empty needle in your right hand, right? So you want to first knit your first stitch as normal, right, and knit your second stitch as well. So now you have two stitches on your right needle, right? And now what you are going to do is you're going to take your left needle, right, and insert into that first loop, right, insert into that first stitch like that, and you hold your this working end little bit tight, right, and you're gonna lift that first stitch over the top of your second stitch like that, right, and release that loop. See, now your first stitch is bind off and secured, right? And now you're going to knit that next stitch like that, and again you have two stitches on your right hand needle, right, and you're going to take your left needle and insert into that loop, right, and lift that loop over the top of your second stitch like that. So again knit your next stitch and insert your left needle into that loop and lift that loop over the top of your second stitch, right? So you just keep on repeating these steps to continue to bind off your knitting, right? And it's important to make sure that you don't do this too tightly, because otherwise you will end up your project in funny shape, right? So you wanna make sure you bind off a little bit loose and nicely, right? And just keep on repeating these steps until you have the last stitch on your left hand, right? So now you have your last stitch on your left needle, right? So now you're going to knit that as well, and you're going to bind off like that, right? And you have only one stitch on your right needle now, right? Now you're going to drop off that needle like that, right? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your scissor, right, and cut your excess yarn like that, right, and you're gonna take this loop, you see here, this is the last loop, you're gonna take this loop into this circle like that and pull it through, right? So now your project is bind off and secure, right? See, so that's how you bind off your project, right? So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you on my next video. Alright, bye.